Using command prompt to mitigate cyber attacks on a banking system involves several steps and tools for monitoring, detecting, and responding to potential threats. Here are powerful commands and procedures to help secure a banking system. Type CMD in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. Use xcopy to backup critical data. Type xcopy. Replace source with the location of the files to copy. Navigate to the file or folder you need to backup and copy its path and paste it in the command prompt. Replace destination with the destination to copy the files to. Navigate to the destination where you want to backup your file or folder, copy its path, and paste it in the command prompt. E H C I. Secure backups provide a safety net ensuring that even if private data is lost or corrupted, banks can retrieve accurate and up-to-date information to continue operations without disruption. Use the netstop command to stop unnecessary services that might be exploited by attackers. Type netstop spooler. The Print Spooler service has been historically vulnerable to exploitation, such as through remote code execution vulnerabilities. Stopping this service reduces the risk of attackers exploiting these vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access or execute malicious code on banking systems. Use netsh to enable login of drop packets. Type netsh advfirewall. Set all profiles. Login, drop connections, enable. Cyber attacks often attempt unauthorized access or malicious activities that are blocked by the firewall. Login drop connections provides visibility into these attempts, allowing security teams to detect and analyze potential threats more effectively. Use WMIC to create a restore point. Type WMIC EXE namespace root default path system restore call greet restore point. Replace my restore point with a meaningful name for your restore points. (100) In the event of a cyber attack, such as malware or ransomware infiltration, critical system files and configurations may be compromised. A restore point allows the system to be quickly reverted to a pre-attack state, minimizing downtime and ensuring the continuity of banking operations. Use IP configuration display DNS to display the contents of the DNS resolver cache. Cyber attackers often use domain names that look similar to legitimate banking sites to carry out phishing attacks or redirect users to malicious sites. By examining the DNS cache, security teams can identify and investigate suspicious or known malicious domains, preventing users from accessing them. Use the task list command to list all running processes and identify any suspicious activity. Type task list. Find Notepad exe. Malicious actors may use common applications such as Notepad to execute scripts or hide malicious activity. Monitoring for specific processes can help identify suspicious activity, allowing security teams to investigate and respond quickly. Use the netstart command to monitor active network connections and detect suspicious activity. Type netstart en find established. Cyber attackers often establish unauthorized connections to banking systems to exfiltrate data or maintain persistence. Monitoring established connections helps identify and terminate unauthorized access promptly, protecting sensitive data from being compromised.